Hi, second grade. Today, you are going to use your iPad and headphones to do a how to draw video that is related to fall. To get there, you'll need to open Clever first. After you open Clever, you need to find Google Classroom. If you click on Google Classroom through Clever, you'll get to the right spot. If you bookmarked Google Classroom, please do not use that bookmark. Use Clever to get to Google Classroom instead. Once you get into Google Classroom, you will see a lot of different classes. To get to your class, it's very important you click on a very specific spot. You need to click on Art to Plano. This is a link. If you click here, it will not do anything. If you click here, it will not do anything. You need to hover over her name, click, and it will take you to the art page. If you look at the art page, you'll notice that I have posted a how to draw a scarecrow video. Click on that. It will open up the video. When you open up the video, it will start playing. You can pause it. When you are pausing it, you can go ahead and you can make it full screen if you would like to, so it's bigger. While you are watching this video, you should be using a pencil. And when you are watching this video, your headphones should be on. If you don't have headphones today, you will have to watch the video on silent. You will still be able to follow along the directions as they are drawing. And when you are done, you should have something that looks like this. Now, when you're finished, you can use crayons or colored pencils to add color to your design, but you should not be using markers today. At the end of class, you can take your awesome spooky scarecrow home with you. I hope you guys have fun. Make sure you're being responsible and make sure you're being respectful. The substitute will let me know how you did today, and I'm hoping you can have a 5-point day.